Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about natural remedies out there, apple cider vinegar, or ACV for short. From weight loss to blood sugar control, this humble kitchen staple packs a powerful punch. But is it really as good as they say? Stick around to find out. First things first, what exactly is apple cider vinegar? It's made from fermented apple juice, which turns into acetic acid, the active compound responsible for many of its health benefits. ACV has been used for centuries in cooking and medicine, but lately it's gained superstar status in the wellness world. Let's explore why. Ever felt bloated after a meal? Apple cider vinegar might be your new best friend. It's known to promote healthy digestion by increasing the acidity in your stomach, which helps break down food more efficiently. Some people even take a tablespoon before meals to avoid that uncomfortable post-meal bloat. But remember, always dilute ACV with water before drinking it. It's pretty strong stuff and can damage your tooth enamel if taken undiluted. One of the most researched benefits of apple cider vinegar is its ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that ACV can improve insulin sensitivity, especially after meals, which is great news for anyone managing diabetes or prediabetes. In fact, taking a small amount of ACV before a high-carb meal has been shown to reduce blood sugar spikes. But as always, consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your routine. Trying to shed a few pounds? Apple cider vinegar might help. Some studies suggest that it can promote feelings of fullness, leading to fewer calories consumed throughout the day. One study found that participants who took ACV daily lost more weight than those who didn't, even without changing their diet. While it's not a magic potion, adding a bit of ACV to your salad or morning drink could give your weight loss efforts a little boost. Let's talk heart health. Some animal studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which are key factors in heart disease. While more research is needed on humans, incorporating ACV into a heart-healthy diet certainly can't hurt. Add a splash to your favorite dishes, and you might just be doing your heart a favor. But wait, there's more. Apple cider vinegar isn't just for eating, it's also a popular ingredient in skincare. Its natural antibacterial properties can help with acne, and its acidity can balance your skin's pH. Some people use it as a toner, but be sure to dilute it well to avoid irritation. Remember, always do a patch test before applying ACV to your face to make sure your skin doesn't react negatively. Now, before you start chugging ACV, let's talk about some of the risks. Drinking it undiluted can erode your tooth enamel, and too much can cause digestive issues. It's also not recommended for people with certain conditions like gastroparesis. Moderation is key, and when in doubt, consult your healthcare provider. So there you have it. Apple cider vinegar is a versatile, natural remedy with a range of potential health benefits. Whether you're adding it to your diet for better digestion, blood sugar control, or even skincare, a little goes a long way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and cheers to your health.